Hi, at the request of a subscriber, today we're going to be making edible cookie dough in 4 ways. We're going to be doing the flavors of a normal choc chip cookie dough, a matcha white chocolate walnut, a Lotus Biscoff, and Vietnamese coffee. First, we need to heat treat the flour, so spread it evenly onto a tray and bake it for 5 minutes at 180 degrees. If you don't have an oven, you can place it into the microwave and microwave it on high for about 1 minute and 30 seconds until it reaches an internal temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. We're then going to cream the butter and sugar together until it's fluffy. I've got a lot of butter here because I'm creaming the butter for all 4 flavors in one go. So we're going to start off with the choc chip cookie dough flavor. Once you finish creaming the butter and sugar, just add in the flour, choc chips, milk and vanilla essence and mix it until it's all combined. I'm adding in my milk now because I forgot to do it in the first step, so it doesn't really matter if you've forgotten to add something in the beginning, just add it in at the end and just combine everything until it's mixed through. Then just fridge it for 30 minutes. Now we're going to do the matcha white choc version, which is an edible cookie dough version of the Levain Bakery matcha cookies I've done previously. First, we're just going to melt the white rabbit candy with the milk by heating it in the microwave for 1 minute, then mixing it until it's combined. Then we're going to add that milk, the flour and the matcha powder into the creamed butter and mix it until it's combined. We're then going to add in the walnuts and white chocolate and then mix that until it's combined as well. So you may have noticed that I actually forgot to add in the matcha powder in the beginning. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've just added that in at the end and mixed all of that through until it was combined and then place it into the fridge for 30 minutes. Now moving on to our third flavor, which is the Lotus Biscoff cookie dough. We're just going to place the spread into the milk and microwave that for 30 seconds and then mix it until it's combined. Then sift in the flour to the creamed butter and then just mix that all through until you can't see any flour left. Add in the Lotus Biscoff mix and the crushed Lotus Biscoff biscuits and then just mix that through until it's evenly combined. I just crushed my biscuits by leaving it in the packet and smashing it with a rolling pin. So once you've got your dough ready, we're just going to place it into the fridge for 30 minutes like we've done with the others. Now our last flavor is the Vietnamese coffee cookie dough. We're just going to mix the instant coffee with the water and then add in the condensed milk and just give that a mix until it's combined. Then like we've done with all the other flavors, we're going to sift in the flour, add in the coffee mixture to the creamed butter and mix all of that until it's evenly combined. Once you've finished doing that, you can add in some choc chips like I have and then just mix that through and then put it into the fridge for 30 minutes to serve. You can take this cookie dough and rip it into smaller pieces and then mix it with ice cream so you get something like a Ben & Jerry's cookie dough ice cream, or you can just pretend it's ice cream and eat it by the scoop. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and please remember to like and subscribe.